esteemed guests, and I would like to invite them on stage. We have 2024 Riddington Foundation. Congratulations, they are being recognized for their impact project, augmenting water and connecting ecosystem and improved well-being of tribals. I would request everybody, as they are here with us tonight at a very special evening, please give a huge round of applause.
Being mentally strong, psychologically strong is very important. There are many people around you who would try to discourage you, demotivate you, but there is one thing that one should always believe, that you have it in you and no one can pull you down.
Definitely a moment nahi chhodne wali hu. I have some questions for you and I am so happy, you look very handsome, huh? Can we have a huge round of applause for him, everybody? Come on! Navdeep, congratulations. I would just like to ask you, how does it feel to bring home the gold? What would you like to say?
सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा, आपने इतना अच्छा इंट्रोडक्शन दिया मेरा, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है मैं। और जब खिलाड़ी के लिए सबसे अच्छी बात यही होती है कि जब वो देश के सम्मान में शामिल होता है तो उसकी खुशी की सीमा नहीं होती।
करेक्ट।
तो मेरी भी अभी खुशी की सीमा नहीं है, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है।
वेल नवदीप, आपकी जो जर्नी रही है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग रही है। कैसा फील होता है एज वी कंपेयर टू टोक्यो टू पेरिस? अगर हम कंपेयर कर, मैंने आपका एक इंटरव्यू देखा था जहाँ आपने बताया कि जब आप ये पेरिस ओलंपिक के लिए जा रहे थे, आपकी जो जर्नी थी, यू वर वॉचिंग अ मूवी ऑफ कार्तिक आर्यन विच रियली मोटिवेटेड यू with so many things. What was that one thing that really motivated you from that series? And here we are celebrating your goal today. It's such a proud moment for all of us. So, what would you like to say?
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मूवीज़ देखता हूँ, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स हम खेल रहे होते हैं तो मेरे को एक ऑफ ट्रैक एक चीज़ चाहिए होती है जो मेरे को रिलैक्स करे, तो वो मेरा मूवी है। और मैं चंदू चैंपियन देखने के लिए इसलिए ज़्यादा उत्सुक था क्योंकि वो हमारे पैरा एथलीट मुरलीकांत पेटकर सर पे बनी है और उनकी लाइफ को लेके काफ़ी मोटिवेशन था। जो वो स्ट्रगल उन्होंने झेला, जो वो फेस करके आए हैं, जो उन्होंने जीवन में जो कठिनाइयाँ झेली, रेसलर बनना चाहते थे, बॉक्सिंग बाद में ज्वाइन किया और फिर आर्मी में बुलेट लगने के कारण उन्होंने पैरा एथलीट्स पैरा स्विमिंग ज्वाइन किया। तो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी थी सर की। तो जितने उतार चढ़ाव उनकी लाइफ अगर प्रॉब्लम झेले हैं, क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं लगता कि जितना वो प्रॉब्लम झेल चुके वो 2-3 घंटे की मूवी में वो हो सकता है। प्रॉब्लम तो उससे भी ज़्यादा रही होंगी। तो काफ़ी मोटिवेशन वहाँ से मिला और वो मोटिवेशन मैंने पेरिस में यूज़ की।
नवदीप, आपको आइडिया भी नहीं है कि आप कितने सारे लोगों को इंस्पायर करते हो। सो मेनी पीपल लुक अप टू योर स्पिरिट. Hats off to you and congratulations. Last thing I would like to ask you, any message you would like to give to the young athletes who are out there looking up to you? What message would you like to give them?
यंग एथलीट्स के लिए मेरा यही रहेगा कि आप कभी भी अपना फोकस से डिस्टर्ब ना हो और जो भी आप टारगेट्स अपने लिए रख रहे हो अपने जीवन के लिए और अपने गेम के लिए, उसके लिए फुली डेडिकेटेड हो जाओ। और जब आपका डेडिकेशन आपके साथ होगा और आपकी मेहनत आपके साथ होगी, आपको रिजल्ट ज़रूर अच्छा मिलेगा।
आप बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग हो नवजीत। लेट्स गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एवरीबॉडी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। हैव अ वंडरफुल इवनिंग। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि ये शाम आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेमोरेबल हो। टू इंटरैक्ट विद यू सर, अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू यू। आपको देख के मुझे छोले भटूरे की याद अपने आप आ जाती है। कैन वी पास द माइक टू हिम प्लीज? यस,
थैंक यू।
A very good evening to you, sir. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion with your kind presence. Sir, happy to have you here with us. We all know your journey. आपने जिस तरीके से शुरू किया है, आप जिस तरीके से you have inspired the youth. How does it feel, firstly, to be on at the 7th edition of CSR Journal Excellence Award?
Thank you so much for having me, first of all. I'm in a fix whether I should speak in Hindi or English. I'll try to juggle it up so that everyone is happy. बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार for everyone for having me here. I'm really happy to be among so many champions, people who do genuine good work in the society. आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, all the ones who have won. I'm pretty sure you keep up the good work, and thank you for motivating people like me.
So love having you here with us. Let's give a huge round of applause to this gentleman, ladies and gentlemen, as we are delighted to present the CSR Journal Pride of Indian Award 2024. This award celebrates individuals who have made remarkable contribution to their field and inspired countless others through their dedication and excellence. Today we honor the one of the best. I am a big fan. I am so honored to be sharing the stage with him. Give a huge round of applause for Mr. Sunil Chhetri to celebrate Indian footballer and captain of the national team whose achievement of the field have made Indian proud. Everybody a huge round of applause please. I would like to invite him on stage. Everybody come on, a huge round of applause for Sunil sir. Thank you so much. Sunil sir, such an honor to share the stage with you.
Thank you.
A very warm welcome to you. You look so handsome, huh?
Thank you.
Well, आपकी स्टोरी किसको नहीं पता है? You really inspire the youth out there. Tonight, as we celebrate you, celebrate your journey, celebrate all that struggle that you've been huddling all these years. What would you like to say? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं एक ऐसा message to the youth who would love to pursue their passion, no matter whether it's football or any other career, what would you like to say? Tell them.
Generally, I only give advices to sports people, so I'm not sure whether, but I'll try. To all the youth, it's very simple. Eat well, dream big and nice, work really hard as according to your dream. Make sure you're nice and kind. Stay happy, don't take stress, things will be fine, and do good. Thank you.
So no matter whatever it is in your day-to-day life, आपके daily routine में एक ऐसी चीज़ जो कुछ भी हो जाए, आप कितने भी stressful हो, आपके कोई भी competitions हो, कोई भी awards हो, कोई भी events हो, पर आप वो चीज़ miss नहीं करते. वो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है
सोना.
which you are dedicated towards?
Sleeping. Sleeping.
Sleeping.
आप मेरे घर के बाहर बैंड बाजा बजाइए कुछ भी कीजिए मैं जनरेटी लेना sleep. I'm pretty good at that. My wife keeps complaining no matter what happens. बच्चा रो रहा है. I'm just blessed with a baby boy now. बच्चा रो रहा है but मैं उठता नहीं. Don't clap. My wife will listen to this. It's been 1 year. The kid wakes up at night. I don't. I sleep. Not because I don't want to get up, but because I'm blessed. I can sleep.
I'm a big fan of yours. I've seen all your interviews. No matter what, ये question ही बहुत stupid है, but फिर भी मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, if it's not football, what would you have been?
Miserable. I would have. That's true. I think I owe a lot to sports. If I wasn't a sports person, I probably would have been miserable. But to give an answer to your question, I would have tried to be an army officer. All my fathers, my uncles, everyone are from services. So I would have tried, not that I'm that good, but I would have tried to get into army somewhere.
So out of the topic everywhere, sports से related और सब चीज़ों से related. Do you watch Bollywood music, Bollywood pictures and music?
Not as much as Navdeep does. Navdeep loves Bollywood movies. I used to watch when I was younger. Now, थोड़ा time कम हो गया, so I don't. But
तो
yeah.
अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, who was your favorite actress? Would you like to share with us? I'm sure there might be.
Apart from my wife, she acts well.
Oh.
I was
So mature to you.
I was a huge fan of Konkana Singh, but sadly she doesn't act more. Yeah, so I was a huge fan of hers. Yes.
Last movie या कोई series जो आपने binge watch की हो?
Oh, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. My wife decides. The thing, they all know it. The thing that we watched last was a repeat of Afterlife. If you haven't watched it, बहुत शर्मिंदल बात है, but I'm giving you a thing to watch. It's called Afterlife. It's by Ricky Gervais. You will love it.
Lovely. Sir, last question. I'm sure I'm not going to trouble you anymore. You know the youth today compared to what it was in the 90s. अगर आप compare करें तो आज का जो youth है बहुत ही ज़्यादा different है. एक message अगर आप आज के जो youth को देना चाहो to come up, you know, follow their day-to-day routine and come up as their aspiration and fulfill all their goals in their life, what would that one message be?
The good thing is there is no youth over here, so I'm not going to lecture them. I think the difference that the youth has now than when we were there, because I'm a fossil, is that you have a lot of information on your fingertip. Make sure you use it for your advantage.
Lovely. We should give a huge round of applause to
Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much for gracing this occasion with your kind.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे, वंदे, वंदे. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute honor for me to invite and have with us a huge round of applause for Shri Om Birla, Honorable Speaker, 18th Lok Sabha. A huge round of applause of the Kota Bundi constituents focusing on religious development and public welfare initiative. He is here with us this evening at this very special occasion. And we should give a huge round of applause and welcome him for being a part of the CSR Journal Excellence Award 2024. A warm welcome to you, sir. Happy to have you here with us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a huge round of applause for Ankur and team for performing us so well. Thank you so much to the entire team. Well, we also have one of the best actor who is here with us this evening, Mr. Ayushman Khurrana. एक बार जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए भी हो जाए. Well, making the most of this time opportunity है.
संदीप मेरे साथ बैठे हैं, उन्होंने बोला कि ओलंपिक पेरिस से वापस आते हुए ना ड्रीम गर्ल 2 देखी. मैंने पूछा कहीं पूजा से प्यार तो नहीं हो गया इनको. मैंने लाइव देखा था थ्रो करते हुए. आई थिंक ही इज अ लेजेंड.
Lovely. So you have played so many roles, whether it's real life or real life. If I ask you one message which you would like to give to all the youth sitting out here who's watching us, what would that one message be?
ओके, आई थिंक ये दो ट्रिगर्स होते हैं युवाओं के लिए. और हमारे देश में अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की अब कोई कमी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू बी एन आर्टिस्ट, बेस्ट टाइम टू बी अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. सो आई एम ग्लैड दैट इट्स द बेस्ट टाइम टू बी इंडियन एज वेल.
So if not an actor, what would you have been?
ये सवाल
थोड़ा
बहुत
difficult है,
ही
I
अलग
know.
है, क्योंकि मेरी जर्नी ऐसी रही है. पहले मैं रेडियो में था, थिएटर में था, फिर टेलीविजन में था, जर्नलिस्ट भी रह चुका हूँ. तो प्लान बी सी XYZ तक मैं बहुत प्लान्स के बाद यहाँ पर पहुँचा हूँ. और धीरे धीरे बेबी स्टेप्स लेकर पहुँचा हूँ. तो बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मेरे पास, और सही अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती भी गई. यूनिवर्स हैज बीन रियली काइंड.
Lovely. Can we have a round of applause for him, please? एक last ये question आप
यार मेरी फिल्में ऐसी है कि डायलॉग सुनकर पता नहीं फैमिली ऑडियंस है यहाँ पर.
So please, one any of your favorite.
पहली फिल्म से बोल रहा हूँ.
Yes.
स्पर्म से थोड़ा ऊपर आकर देखो, हार्ट नाम की चीज़ होती है. What about love? ये सिर्फ प्यार की भाषा जानते हैं।
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां. Thank you so much, so pleasure having you here and very good evening to you, dear Mirza. Thank you so much for joining. Heartfelt welcome to our guests. Let us offer them a round of applause as they join us here this evening while we take a couple of minutes here. A huge round of applause. Shri Sunil Tatkare, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Maharashtra State President. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for this special segment. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing the honor. This event that you have won this evening, a last message or last anything you would like to share with all our audience or leadership who are here with us this evening at the audience.
श्रोतागण को नमस्कार. यहाँ पर बैठे सभी महानुभावों को सादर प्रणाम और हमारे पैरालंपिक ओलंपिक के लेजेंड्स सदा रहे भाग्यवान. जय महाराष्ट्र, मेरा भारत महान. इस व्यक्ति के विशेष का नाम है आयुष्मान. अमित जी, आपने प्रेरित कर दिया हिंदी में वार्तालाप करने में, बोलने के लिए. बहुत ही खूबसूरत जुबान है आपकी. इन द वर्ड्स ऑफ आवर फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट लेट श्री APJ अब्दुल कलाम साहब, सपने वो नहीं होते जो नींद में आते हैं. सपने वो नहीं होते जो नींद में आते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो मैं नींद से जगाते हैं. और ऐसा लगता है कि बचपन से जागता रहा हूँ मैं, आजीवन भागता रहा हूँ मैं. तो ये अवार्ड मैं उन्हीं को समर्पित करना चाहता हूँ जो सपने देखने का और उन्हें पूरा करने का साहस रखते हैं. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू CSR जर्नल, थैंक यू ओम जी, थैंक यू पीयूष जी, थैंक यू अमित जी.
Thank you so much, Ayushman. Pleasure having you here. Have a wonderful evening and enjoy this night with us. Thank you. सभी के लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, जोरदार तालियां कंटिन्यूसली बजनी चाहिए for both of them who have joined us this evening for the CSR Journal Excellence Award 2024. For your dedication and hard work, I am pleased to announce that the CSR Journal, in collaboration with Siddha Group, is extending a support to you. Navdeep Singh with a contribution of rupees 5 lakh as our emotional thanks. This gesture is meant to honor our journey and commitment of excellence. Your journey means a lot to us. A huge round of applause. And also, ladies and gentlemen, to Avni Lekhra, Hidden Cheti and Association is extending a similar gesture of support, showing our gratitude for our outstanding contribution to sports and inspiring many out there. A small token of gesture to both of you for making India proud.
Hello. Avni, thank you so much for the love. Both you and Navdeep are Gen Z legends. Normally Gen Z के साथ legend शब्द हम यूज़ नहीं करते, लेकिन जितना आपने ज़िंदगी में देखा है और जो किया है, you are truly legendary. Thank you for inspiring us. A big salute to both of you, Navdeep and Avni. ये ट्रैफिक में आते आते कुछ सोचा था मैंने कि मैं कुछ बोलूँगा,
कि ये खिलाड़ी कुछ जिंदगियां जीकर और कई जिंदगियां मर कर आए। ये खिलाड़ी कुछ जिंदगियां जीकर और कई जिंदगियां मर कर आए हैं। हाल ही में विश्व स्तर की श्रेणी में आगे बढ़कर आए हैं और जिंदगी कई चुनौतियों के शिखर पर चढ़कर आए हैं। ये वो लोग हैं दोस्तों जो किस्मत की लकीरों से लड़कर आए हैं।
Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, esteemed people on the dais here. Om Ji, thank you, Amit Ji, for making us a part of this event, and to all the other esteemed guests. P2 Ishwar Ji, thank you so much for being with us. It's such a rich privilege and honor to receive this acknowledgement on your behalf. Amit Ji, जो आपने बोला, बहुत अक्सर आंखों पर बहुत सुंदर बोला आपने. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि पर्यावरण की सुरक्षा में जो काम करते हैं वो काफ़ी अनपॉपुलर होते हैं. लोग उनके काम को प्रगति में रुकावट समझते हैं. और मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगी कि जिस तरह आज का माहौल है, the kind of world that we're living in, which is confronted by a triple planetary crisis of climate change, biodiversity loss and pollution, and the kind of impact that has on people everywhere, especially in developing nations like our own. It is imperative that every one of us becomes a champion for Earth and a champion for nature. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिसमें हम अपने नदी, जंगल, पानी को पूजते हुए आए हैं. We have the legacy and the rich heritage of being inspired, motivated and revered everything that belongs to the natural world. And I think it's important for us to remember that and practice that in all the choices that we make. मेरे सबसे बड़े इंस्पिरेशंस मेरे बच्चे हैं, क्योंकि मैं जो भी करती हूँ उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए, उनके स्वास्थ्य के लिए और उनकी जीवन के लिए करती हूँ. And I think every one of us needs to become a steward for the planet. Thank you so much.
It's such an honor to have you here with us. A small question I would like to ask you: what inspired you to do such wonderful work, such social work? How would you like to say it and put it across?
Thank you so much for this award. I'm really honored, but this award is not for me. I'm just a representative here. This award is for all the women out there that work tirelessly to make the world a better place. Gayatri, you're one of those champions, and thank you for this award. You motivate me every day to do better. Thank you.
Congratulations, Upasana. I would request you to please stay back, क्योंकि ये एक ही नहीं है जो आप इस शाम जीत रहे हो. There's something more that you have won. Ladies and gentlemen, as I move on, I would like to make this movement even more special by celebrating another honor won by this super amazing lady who have inspired us in multiple ways. The CSR Journal Special Commendation Award in Corporate Social Responsibility 2024, which again goes to Apollo Foundation Total Health. Upasana, congratulations, not one but two wins. that you are taking back home this evening. A huge round of applause. Congratulations to you and your entire team for the wonderful work that you are doing for the society. Everybody, zordar taaliyan ho jaye. We are so happy to have such hard-working people doing such great work for India. Keep up the good work and congratulations to you once again.
इसमें डाल दूंगा उसमें वो खत्म बंद हो जाएगा।
You would like to give to the common man the role that you've been playing in your movies? What would you like to say?
A very good evening, everyone. Firstly, thank you so much, CSR Journal. It's a wonderful feeling to be receiving this award from such incredible dignitaries. Thank you so much, Onji. And this is a very special feeling, you know. I actually don't know that do I deserve this award or not, because हम सिर्फ कहानियाँ बोलते हैं, फिल्में बनाते हैं, and happy to know that especially through 12th Fail काफ़ी लोग inspire हुए हैं. This is not just an award, this is actually a huge responsibility henceforth to make sure that we are responsible enough, or at least I am responsible enough to continue inspiring, entertaining at the same time. मैं क्या ही कहूँ, बस मैं श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की जो कविता हमने 12th फेल में कही थी, मैं यूथ को यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ। तो ज़िंदगी के उतार चढ़ाव चलते रहेंगे, बस हार मत मानिएगा। और जैसे 12th फेल में हमने कहा था कि चीटिंग छोड़नी होगी, अगर आप चीटिंग छोड़ देंगे सर, तो शायद जीवन में कुछ हासिल कर पाएंगे।
Such a wonderful man. Thank you. I would request you, Revan, to please stay back. हमने already बहुत सारी बातें की है, but after winning this, how's the feeling and what would you like to share? Any message you would like to give us this evening?
Just one message that school में हम history पढ़ते हैं, geography पढ़ते हैं, mathematics पढ़ते हैं, English पढ़ते हैं, क्यों ना हम health भी पढ़ें? So I strongly believe we need to introduce health as a subject in our schools. And the only way we can, you know, people say India is the diabetes capital of the world. The only way India can become the health capital of the world is if we start teaching every single kid health in schools. That's the only message I have. Thank you so much.
Thank you for adding some life to our life. Thank you so much for joining us this evening and sharing all that good work that you are doing with us digitally.